Hi guys, it's Greg from Response Electricians, and we've just been out to a customer's house and we've been putting up some new lights for them because they're selling their home. And when we arrived, the real estate agent was there and he was suggesting let's put some white light globes throughout the house because it really shows up nice for the photos, which I 100% agree. White light and cool white light is way better for filming and taking photos of your home. So if you're in the process of selling, changing your globes to a whiter globe rather than a yellow will get rid of that brown stain in the photos that you can see from the yellow globes and halogen globes and the old incandescent globes. So in saying that, it's not the best light to live in. So when you've got that white light, it actually irritates your eyes and it is brighter, and that's what they actually put in offices to keep you more alert at work. So when you've got a lot of bright white light fittings and light globes in your home, it's harder for you physiologically to de-wind at the end of a hard day. So especially if you've got children, so I really suggest if you're living in the home to put the warmer the globe, the better. I know it doesn't come up as nice in pictures, but what I've offered this customer, because they are selling, but the person that's going to move in there may not want to keep the really bright white light, is an LED downlight fitting which has an interchangeable color temperature, and you can actually change it from a warm white through to a cool white, and it makes it great for those situations where you might be selling and they say, the new buyer comes in and they say, I don't really want to buy a home with that color light. You can just say, you can change the switch and it will change it back to warm white. But anyway, I hope that helps and can help you in your situation one day, and let us know if you want any questions answered. Have a good day.